back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Everybody lined up right where they need to be. Landon Barker, Zach Carr. Green is out. Here we go. Sport line. A-Main. Landon Barker, Zach Carr. Here comes Jamie Adams. Caution on the Speedway. We were told there was debris on the racetrack. We got it taken care of here on the front stretch now. Inside of that front row. 15 laps. Final event of the evening. Jamie Adams going to set the pace. Jamie Adams going to fire it off. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Adams and Carr knows. Caution on the racetrack as we once again have one on the top side of the backstretch off quarter number 2 come to rest. The two big benefactors there, that's going to be Jamie Adams, also Reed Bishop in that RC10. Bishop went from starting on the 4th row, now he's starting on the 2nd row. Jamie Adams starting on the pole. So here we go. Got them lined up 2 by 2, getting ready to come through 3 and 4. They hit that Nate's Racing Photo start line there in corner number 4. They got a zone right there. They can start between the 2 lines. Jamie Adams on the loud pedal. Here we go. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Carr puts it up on the high side, gets up on the plateau, comes right back down on the racetrack, loses 3 or 4 spots. Here comes that RC10 machine. That is going to be Reed Bishop putting the pressure on Jamie Adams, who come into 1 and 2. Jamie Adams, Reed Bishop. Rob Leemaster in that 740. They're getting jiggy with it coming through 3 and 4. We're going to go 3 wide down the front stretch. Jeff Conrad in that 62 machine. On the whip in 5th, but a lot of action in front of him and a lot more right behind him. Jamie Adams. It's going to be 3 laps in, 12 to go. Adams. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop. Zach Carr in 3rd. Rob Leemaster, Jeff Conrad, Kyle Payne now into 6th. Bob Crayson 7th. Jamie Adams, he's seen the line some of those guys ran earlier, putting it up on the high side right there into 3 and then letting it come down off the 4. 4 laps in, 11 to go. Adams, Bishop, Carr. Then it's going to be Leemaster, Conrad, Payne, Crace, Harris, Harrington, and Castle. Jake Castle, that 24, has worked and scratched all night and showing well for himself here in the A-Main. 5 laps in. Jamie Adams. He's still got the 7 machine of Zach Carr hanging right there with him. Carr now comes underneath of him. Ooh, we get side by side. Wow, what a race coming through 3 and 4. Still with the spot, that's going to be Jamie Adams. Zach Carr throwed it in. Fortunately for him and Jamie, it's stuck. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Carr still trying to run that middle line and trying to just let it come off. Jamie Adams working that high side, just letting the momentum work for him. Right back there waiting, kind of like a cat ready to pounce. That's going to be Reed Bishop in that RC10. Leemaster back in 4th. Halfway in, 8 in, 7 to go. How this is going to shake out up front, nobody knows yet. Lap traffic right ahead of your leaders. Caution on the Speedway. I believe that's going to be the 24 machine of Jake Castle. Castle had a good run, was currently sitting in the 10th spot. Like I said, he had worked, scratched, and done everything he could to get a good night together and was representing himself real well here in the Knights A-Main. 8 laps in, 7 to go. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Everybody trying to get a little jiggy with it. Got to go above the cone. Can't hit it, can't go below it, can't take it with you. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr, here comes the battle. Carr tries to go underneath of him, trying to run a line a little bit down from Jamie. Jamie keeps the high side, keeps the momentum up. 9 in, 6 to go. Carr can get right there to it, get right underneath of him, but just can't get past him. Carr, again, looks like going to try to throw it underneath of him, try to get that lower line to work. But Jamie Adams still right there with the momentum, 10 laps in. Looks like Shannon Davis, that 4 machine, going to slow it down. Now he's going to take that car to the top side, take it back to the pits. So Jamie Adams, Zach Carr, Reed Bishop, Rob Lee Master, Jeff Conrad. That's your front 5. And then it's going to be Kyle Payne, Bob Crace. Jamie Adams once again throws it into 1 and 2. Zach Carr again pulls up right behind him. They bring it into 3 and 4. Oh, a little shot in the shorts, baby. A little getting right there, but Jamie stays on the throttle. Give him the spot at the line. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Zach Carr again gets right up there on Jamie Adams. Jamie Adams going to maintain that spot. 3 laps to go. Two more times around the racetrack. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop. Jamie now pulls it out about 3 car lengths. Into 3 and 4. White flag. Caution on the Speedway. Brody, that 772, loops it in corners number 2. We've got the cone already on the front stretch. What can happen in 1 lap? Jamie Adams, your leader. Zach Carr in that 2nd spot. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop, Rob Leemaster, Jeff Conrad, Kyle Payne, Bob Crace, Tonka Harris, Josh Harrington, Pac-Man Jones, Rich Caldwell, Jake Castle. Green is out once again. The battle down the backstretch, bringing it through 3 and 4. Jamie Adams slides up, going to keep the momentum. Who's going to have it at the line? Give it to Jamie Adams. Jamie Adams, Zach Carr. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop. That's your front 3. And we're going trackside. Jamie Adams Sport Mod A main winner tonight. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Worked for it.
Yeah. Had to earn it, so we'll just go from there.
Yep. All right. You got to thank on that race car, man.
I got to thank MB Race Cars, Thomas Gas Service, Winter Circle Farms, Dole's Automotive. Everybody helps us. I mean, it's a team effort.
Takes a lot of people, don't it?
It does. All of our friends, family. I mean, we had some extra fresh friends coming in tonight, and we get parking on Front Stretch. So.
You get a parking on the front stretch. Tell you what, that high side up there in 3 or 4, that was pretty working tonight, wasn't it?
It's kind of treacherous tonight, to be honest with you.
You're about the third one that's told me that.
Yeah, it's you're a little character, but it's getting a little out of hand.
Yep. All right. Race fans, once again, Jamie Adams, multiple winner, multiple-time track champion. Your Sport Mod A main winner tonight. Zach, your runner-up tonight. How about that race car, buddy?
Yeah, we had a good piece. Just kind of got screwed on in the first couple laps, you know. I don't think we could have been much better, you know.
Yep.
Great chassis, Longhorn chassis. Can't thank him enough. But, you know,
Who got to thank on that car?
we got to thank Carl Glass mainly. Longhorn Dynamics, Longhorn chassis with Tim Zock, High Valley Disposal and Donwood Automotive, Solid Rock Construction. Got to thank them a lot, too.
All right, buddy. Good run tonight, man. Okay. Third place, Reed Bishop. Man, you worked for that one too, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Tell me about that race car.
It's a PCD race car, Gerlach racing engine. I ain't telling you what you asked.
No, that's all right. That Gerlach works pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, it does. But 7th to 3rd, I'm pretty tickled with that.
You had to work for that.
Yes, I did.
Who else you got to thank on that car?
Foster's Trucking, Snoffer's Fire and Safety, Burlau Petroleum, Smith Chevrolet, my crew, my wife. That's about it, buddy.
All right, man. Good run tonight, Reed Bishop. Once again, great to have everybody with us tonight. Be right back here next Saturday night. You're home for Saturday Night Excitement, the Atomic Speedway.